Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this very beautiful, very pretty, easy pattern. This pattern, very easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby's blanket, baby's sweater, lady's sweater, jean sweater, cardigan. You can knit this pattern in any project, right? This is the pattern, and I have done with this border. See, this is the look of this pattern. This is one repeat and this is two. I have done 2.5 repeat here. This is 1, 2 and half repeat here. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all, knit on knit stitch and purl stitch. Wrong side is all knit on knit stitch and purl stitch. See, so this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 14 stitches on my needle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, yes. 14 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6, 2 times 6, 12 and 2 edge stitch 14. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch, knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, that's the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, 1 and 2. And your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3 and knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Purl 3 and knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 3. 1, 2 and 3. Edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and from these 3 stitch, twist 2 to the left way. Twist this stitch to the left way. So bring this 1 stitch here from the back side and from this 2 stitch, knit 1 and slip 1. Right, knit 1 and slip 1 and this 1 stitch, knit. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, twist 2 to the left way. From the twist 2, knit 1, slip 1 and here knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and twist 2 to the left way. Bring this stitch here from the back side and from these 2 stitch, knit 1 and slip 1 and knit 1. Here we have done 2 repeats and your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. Row 5 right side, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then twist 2 to the left way. Bring this stitch here from the back side and from these two knit 1 and slip 1. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and twist 2 to the left way. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then twist 2 to the left way. And from these two knit 1, slip 1. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7. Now for row 7 we're going to knit this pattern here this time and this pattern here, sorry, this pattern here, this pattern here and this pattern here. So row 7, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 3 and then purl 3. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8 edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. Repeat that again. Knit 3, sorry, that's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 3. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. Edge stitch purl on the wrong side. 9 edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Twist 2 to the left way. Bring this stitch here from the back side and knit 1, slip 1 and here knit 1 and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. From here to here, twist 2 to the left way. From that twist 2, knit 1, slip 1 and here knit 1, knit 3. Repeat that again. Twist 2 to the left way. From these two, knit 1, slip 1 and then knit 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, twist 2 to the left way, knit 1, slip 1 and then knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. knit 1, twist 2 to the left way and knit 3. Repeat that again, knit 1, twist 2 to the left way, from these 2 knit 1, slip 1 and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Last row, row 12, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.